Hi everyone, now let us see the new features in TypeScript, error checking in TypeScript, quick fixes for TypeScript error. Let us go step by step demo. Let me go to the code where I have a small program. So if you see here right now in my program, you see there is an error. So TypeScript has the ability to find out what are the error and it will show you immediately during when you type in the code. For example, in this line we have a message is the variable and the string is the type, but we are assigning the number 2 is an integer, so that is a issue. So that's an issue. So if you mouse over on that error, it will give you type 2 is not assignable to the type string. Okay, so this will give you the error. So this is how you can check the error in TypeScript compiler using Visual Studio Code. You want to fix this error, then assign the value properly, either convert the number into string or give the proper value. I'm just giving the proper value. So this is how you will be able to check error. Second, we will see some unreachable code issue or quick fixes for that. If you have the if statement like if false, open parenthesis, assigning the message equal to never happen, because in the above if condition we are setting false, that means this code will never happen. So when you go to that line, it will give you the icon, the bulb icon, it will show you there is an error, so fixes, preferred fix available. When you click on this, remove, for this line it never going to happen, then we can remove the code from the program to make the code cleaner and neat, to avoid unnecessary confusion. When you click remove unreachable code, then it will remove that unreachable code and it will have the code whatever is needed. This is how you can remove unreachable code. We will see more detail in the next video. If you like this video and if you have any questions in TypeScript or any other technology, please add it in the comments. We will answer your questions in this channel. Please share with your friends and tap that bell notification symbol. Thank you for watching.